Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Halloween is coming and today I will show you how to turn your own photo into a cool Halloween animations. It's completely free using Dreamfast app. It's super easy, no editing skills needed, and you can do everything right on your phone. So let's get started. First, just open your Dreamfast. If you don't have it yet, just open your Play Store and then just download it and then install it. And once it's ready, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamfast has a free plan that gives you weekly credits and allows you to generate a few images or video every day. So you don't have to pay anything to try this. And then after logging in, you will be on the home screen like this. And then just tap on Magic Effect. This is where all the fun happens. And inside this menu, you will see a lot of styles. But for today, we will use the Halloween costume, this one. Just tap on it. And then next, just select your photo. Make sure your face is clearly visible and well lit for the best result. For example, I will just use this image. And then when you're done, select your photo, just tap on create. And okay, like this, your Halloween animation is ready. As you can see, your photo turned into a Halloween costume photo like this. Next, you can just download it and then just share it directly to your social media. And okay, that's it. You have just turned your photo into a fun Halloween animations costume using only your phone. It's quick, simple, and totally free. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.